The thought of the day is, why fit in when you were born to stand out? Means, if you want to explore your potential and see how capable you are, you have to stop limiting yourself and allow yourself to become who you want to be. Thank you.
Hello my young scholars. How are you all? Anji, कैसा गया last week? Lot of celebrations. Janmashtami, Independence Day. Wow, nice week. At least I had a very beautiful week. I'm sure आपका भी बहुत अच्छा होगा. So children, one thing I wanted to share with you. Today I went to school for some work and I wish to tell you how much the corridors of the school, the teachers of the schools, your classrooms, how much are you being missed, children. I really felt very sad looking at all the vacant classrooms. But we don't have to be sad. Yes, times are here to change very soon. I'm very sure. बहुत जल्दी से हम लोग वापस आने वाले हैं स्कूल में, है ना? Okay, so coming back to our chapter 4 learning. How many of you did you read the chapter? Tell me honestly, झूठ नहीं बोलना. नहीं, पढ़ा है. और कितने सारे बेबीज ने ट्राई किया टू ऑपरेट द कंप्यूटर, टू पुट इट ऑन, और कितनी बार किया? फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग, यस इट इज ओके बिट बच्चा, बट इट इज नॉट अ प्ले, है ना? बार बार नहीं करना है. एंड यू शुड ऑलवेज ऑपरेट अ कंप्यूटर व्हेन ममा और पापा आर अराउंड, है ना? चलो, गुड. सो आई विल जस्ट क्विकली गिव यू अ रिकैप ऑफ वट एवर वी हैड डन इन द लास्ट क्लास एंड फिर थोड़ा सा हम आगे करते हैं. चले. सो इन द लास्ट क्लास चिल्ड्रन, वी हैड लर्न्ड about how to operate the computer. Firstly, you need to switch on the main power supply button. Can you see in the first picture? Secondly, we need to put on the UPS button. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Thirdly, we need to switch on the power supply button of the CPU, which is the central processing unit. And last, we need to switch on the monitor button. But then after putting it on, we need to wait for some time to Windows to get started. The first screen that opens up after you have put on the monitor is the desktop. The desktop is the first screen that you get to see. It has many small pictures which you can see on the left side of the screen. They are called icons. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop, see it is also labeled in your book, is called a task bar. It's called a task bar. And at the extreme left side of the screen, children, there is a start button. So as you press the start button, whatever programs which are there in your computer shall pop up. It will give you a list of all the programs, softwares available in your computer. So children, further in this lesson, you will learn that a computer is a wonderful machine and it helps us in many ways, like writing notes and stories. Let us see how. I have two friends of yours talking to each other. So, the girl is saying that I have become tired of writing stories on paper. Can you help me to write these on the computer? And the mouse friend says, yes, you can write on a computer using a program called the WordPad. Let's learn more about this program. WordPad. So children, WordPad is a typing software. It is a place, it is a program wherein you can type your text. Pen से लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just type in your text. Now children, we will see how do we open WordPad from our desktop. There is a colorful ball button which is called the start button. Can you all see on the screen? Ma'am has put an arrow as well. So you have to click on the start button. As you do a single click on the start button, this menu will appear. The menu will read many options, but you have to look at accessories. Just click on accessories and this is how it will give you an option to open WordPad. Can you all see? WordPad. It will open WordPad. Just click on it and this is the window you're going to get. Here. See? Such a file will open on your computer. This, children, is called WordPad. This is called the WordPad. Can you all see a line over there which will keep on blinking? As you look at it, that will keep on blinking. Children, this blinking line indicates that whatever you type, you type your name, you type your age, you type your class, it will come here on the screen. Wherever this line is blinking, your text will get typed there. This blinking line is called a cursor. Let us go further. So children, here in the WordPad window, the topmost line which reads the document name is called the title bar. How do we save our name in the title bar? I shall explain it to you in lesson number 6. But as of now, you just need to remember that this is called the title bar. This, children, is the typing space. This is the typing space or writing space where you type in the text. Here you can see the cursor. So here your typed text will come. So class, let us read together on page number 35, which reads, how do we start a program? To open the WordPad program, follow the steps given below. I just told you, click on the start button, accessories, and then WordPad. And this window, this is the WordPad window. This will open by itself then. So children, the second topic for today's lesson is about resizing a window. What do you mean by resizing? किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज छोटा या बड़ा करना है ना. To make the size of any object smaller or bigger is called resizing of that object. Now here we have a WordPad window open, है ना. WordPad की एक फाइल खुली है and Dipali ma'am has typed in this file, my name is Dipali. You can also try doing that. Now I don't want to work on this file for some time now. I want to open another file. But मुझे इसमें भी थोड़ा सा काम करना होगा बाद में. So I don't want to close it. But at the same time, I wish to open another file. So how can I do that? Now look here, class. In your WordPad file, there are 1, 2 and 3 control buttons here. There are 1, 2 and 3 control buttons. एक माइनस का साइन, 2 विंडोज बनी है और एक क्रॉस का साइन. Can you all see that? These are called the control buttons, children. Now what happens if I take my cursor there on the minus sign and I click it? See, minus sign and I click it. The file has disappeared, but the file has not closed. If you go down there in this bar and click on your file, it will again get open. So this means minimizing a file. If we press this minus button, as the word says minus, so Pressing this button will minus this file, will minimize this file. Second button is about this second button, children, can you all see here, is called the restore button. It's called the restore button. If you click it, let me just click it and show this to you. See, my file gets minimized. My file gets minimized. And I can see the other files open or there on my desktop. मुझे कोई और file open करनी है, I will just quickly see. Again, if I want to maximize this file of mine, I will again click on this restore button and here we go. It opens up fully. So this is called the restore button. The last button here in the control section you see is of a cross. What do you mean by cross? Cross matlab close my file. Cross matlab close my file. See, if you click on this close button, a pop-up will appear. एक message आएगा that do you want to save this file? जो आपने type किया, my name is Dipali, do you want to even save it? I say yes, so I will just say save. So as I have pressed the crossed button, the message has come that do you want to save the file? Yes, so I'll just say save and my file will get closed automatically. My file will get closed automatically. Now let us quickly return to our chapter and read what is there on page number 34. It reads as resizing a window. You can change the size of a window. Look at the control buttons at the top right corner of the title bar. I just explained it to you. Every file, my babies, will have these 1, 2 and 3 buttons. These are called the control buttons. Minus is to minimize. The middle one is the restore button and the cross is the close button. So click on the middle button. It is called the restore down. And the WordPad window will become small in size. Did you all understand? The WordPad window will become small in size.
Anji, did you like the lesson? Samajh aaya? Beta, we all know that it is really difficult for you also to learn this way. है ना? Phone पे, video पे, presentations पे. But beta, this is the best that can happen this time. At least we are not breaking our chain of learning. आप सब बहुत अच्छे बेबीज हो और इस वीडियो को बार बार देख के आई एम श्योर वी आर गोइंग टू सून बिकम कंप्यूटर एक्सपर्ट्स. So please read page number 34 and page number 35 today. Look at ma'am's video again and you shall remember all that we have covered today. और next week तक के लिए क्या बोलना है? Bye bye.